short dramas for free. This is the only app you need. Click the link below the video now and start watching.
Okay, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Uh, just want to share basic analysis of what I'm looking at on gold. What I'm looking at on gold, I want to just share it with my guy right here. And we're able to take profit of this. I don't think that should be under account entirely. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I'm trying to get uh I'm trying to get some tools together before we actually continue. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Active, 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 active. Okay. Yeah, yeah. What's up? Can you hear me? Okay. So let's just do the basic analysis of what we're looking at on gold. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, just type one so I can continue. So I can continue. You can actually see my screen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 good. So let's just do the basic analysis real quick. Actually came on this live very late, but we should still be able to do something off. Let me just do a quick analysis. This is the 4 hours time. Uh, Market structure. What are we looking at? And you can see we've been having some movements lately in the market, and we've successfully seen the break of this trend line right here, which is what we've been following through since last week, and it has really, really been going well. So, what's our expectation of gold today? What's our expectation for gold today? Okay, I think the news is out now. The news is out now. The news is out. We'll need to stay calm and see real break. And see real break. We need to stay calm and see real break in the market. Uh, let's see how markets react from this zone. Initially, I'm expecting a buy. I'm expecting a sell rather on this trade. and this is on the 4 hours time frame. And now right here, market is on a strong support level. So it depends on whatever the market do at this zone, that will give us the idea of what we should actually do. Are you with me? That will give us the idea of what to actually do. If we are able to have a successful break of this zone, uh, that's okay. Let me go down to the 1 hour time frame. Market looking okay. Market successfully broke this and this zone right here. Market successfully broke this zone right here. Okay. Okay. Let's wait and see. Let's see some real move. Let's see some real move. Let's wait and see some real move in the market. Let's wait and see some real move in the market. On the 30 minutes time frame, we already have a proper break of this zone. The news is out now. The news is out now. If we have a break, if we have a break of this zone, if we have a break of this zone to the top side, then we might hopefully go on the buy. But right here, this zone is still very much significant, and market might come back to this level right here and continue selling. But following the trend of the market is much more important than any is the best price action to actually do. So if markets come to this zone and we're able to see some market patterns from here, they might hopefully continue the sell movement and target this zone as our take profits. But let's see what the market has for us. Let's watch out and study the reactions first. That's the first thing to do here. That's the first thing to do here. That's the first thing to do here. But the market is strongly bearish. So we shouldn't be doing as after we shouldn't be going against the trend of this market. I can see the 4 hours trend line break, which I marked out on this zone right here. So we're able to get a rejection. If we're able to get a rejection at that level, then we should hopefully go back on the sell. Then we should hopefully be able to enter the sell. Can you hear me? You can hear me. Drop one on the chat. Drop one on the chat box if you can hear me. So I will know that you're actually following and we are together. So I will know we're actually together. If you can hear me, just drop one. Drop one on the chat box. Drop one in the chat box if you can hear me. Okay. Good. So markets is approaching our level already, and it depends on whatever we see at this zone that will give us the idea of what we should actually doing, whether we're actually going to sell. But to sell at this level, we need to see some strong market rejection. We need to see some weak rejection, either a pin bar or whatever at this level. But we can't go against the trend of the market. We are mainly having a minor very bullish trend at the moment, but the market is still strongly bearish. The market is still strongly bearish, and we can't go against the trend of the market. So it's better and it's more safer to get on this sell position right here. But if we have a break of this level, if we have a break of this level, then we won't be able to get on the sell. Initially, we were supposed to have entered and scalped the buy from here, but there's another significant zone here. There's another significant zone here. So it's much more better. So it's much more better. I don't know why this thing is not actually giving me. It's not sure. It's not coming up. Why is this not coming up? I don't know why this trading view is not giving me. Let me cancel this and reshare. Let me share it again. I don't know why it's not coming up. Uh, hopefully, let me reload my charts. Let me reload my charts. Everything is totally changing now. Though. Let me reload my charts and just look for what we've initially been expecting. So we're expecting a sell at that level, right? We're expecting a sell at that level. I don't know why this whole thing just decided to change everything right here. Okay, but let's watch out for the reactions. Let's watch out for market reactions at this level. Let's watch out for markets. Let's watch out for market reactions at this level, and that will give us the basis of our decision making. Market reactions at this level will give us the reaction of our decision making. If we have a break of this level, then we're going to get on the buy, but we see rejections from that level, then we're actually going to capitalize on selling, which was initially our plan, which is initially our plan from the starts, which is initially our plan. This too thick. I don't know why. It's too thick. This is too thick. Okay. This is initially our plan. Okay. So let's watch out for market reactions at this zone. But if we have a break, if we have a break up that level, above that level, then we're actually going to be capitalizing on the buy. We're actually going to be buying. We're definitely going to be buying. If we have a break of that level. If we have a break of that level, then we're going to be buying. But the best thing to do in this market trend is to sell. Okay, buy gold now. We're actually going to be buying gold now. We're going to be buying gold now. Finally have a break. Buy gold now. Buy XAUSD now. Buy XAUSD. So we'll be targeting this zone as our take profits, and we'll be targeting as low as this. These are stop loss. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We need a proper break of that level. Okay, buy XAUSD now. Buy XAUSD now. Buy XAUSD now. Buy XAUSD now. But we need a proper break. We need a proper break above that level. We need a proper break above that level. We need a proper break above that level, which will give us the, it will put us on the safer side. It will put us on the safer side. Getting a proper break above that level will put us on the safer side. And that's a significant resistance level right there. Our market is there at the moment. So it's whatever market do at that level that will determine if the trend will definitely continue or not. But buy XAUSD now. We're having a break of that level. So let's buy XAUSD now and target this next resistance level as our take profits. Target this next resistance level as our take profits, and we'll just watch out for market reactions. This is the 4 hours time frame. I need to get back on the 1 hour time frame to see what the market is really doing. To see what the market is really doing. I need a proper break above that resistance level. Apply proper risk management. We're having a pullback from that level. We're having a pullback from that level. But let's see. Let's see how markets react. Let's see how markets react. If price definitely break that zone properly, then the trend should be strongly. The market should definitely buy up to this level right here, up to this next resistance level right here. But market is basically reacting to that resistance level there now. Market is reacting. But make sure you use a proper lot size, a proper risk management. But we need the market to close above that level. We really need the market to close above that level. But let's watch out for its reaction. Let's watch out for the reaction of the market at that zone. Let's watch out for the reaction of the market at that zone. At that zone. Let's watch out for the reaction of the market at that zone. But the trend of the market, this trade we are taking right now is actually against the trend of the market, because the trend of the market is strongly bearish. But based on the break that we have right here, we expect the market should close strongly above this level. Then we expect the buy trend to continue up to the next resistance level, which is this resistance level right here. We expect it to come up to the next resistance level. So if we have a break right here up to this level, and we're able to have a nice retest of this previous resistance level right here, it will become a support level, and then we should be expecting the movement to come as far as this high here. But now the only thing we are relying on is for market to break that zone properly. is for market to break that zone properly. That's the only thing we're expecting right now. Right now, the only thing we're expecting is for market to break that zone properly. But we are not able to get a proper break, and we'll start seeing some weak rejection from that our resistance level. Then we're actually going to be closing our buy. We're actually going to be closing our buy. But let's keep watching. Let's watch out for the market's reactions properly before taking any decision. Let's just watch out for the market's reaction properly before taking any decision. Let's watch out for our market reaction properly before taking any decision right now. You can't see my screen. Then I'm gonna just share this. Okay, let me stop sharing and share my screen again. I just stopped sharing. Let me share my screen again. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. Okay, can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Okay, okay, good. So I said we're actually capitalizing on this buy. If we have a proper break and close above this resistance level, then we're going to capitalize on the buy. And you can see we are in a little profit already. I'm actually on the trade already. I'm on the trade already. If we're able to get a proper close above this resistance level, then we should be good. If we're able to get a proper close above that resistance level, then we should be good, and we'll be targeting this our next resistance level as our take profits. And we're just going to market reactions from there. But if the market closes below and start giving weak rejection, then we know that this trade is going to go bad. But I'm currently running in profit. I'm currently running in profit at the moment because we already you can see the weak rejection, and this zone right here is a very strong resistance level. And you know the trend of this market is strongly bearish, but right now based on the volatility we are having, the momentum, the buying momentum we're having in the market, so we are simply going on a simple break and retest, simple break and retest. That's the simple strategy we're actually using for this trade, and you can see the massive buy, the massive buy going on. So we need the market to close strongly above this level. We need the market to close strongly above that level to capitalize on that trade. So if we're able to close strongly above that level, then this next high should be our target. This next high should be our target, but it should be in profit already. It should be in profit already. If we got on the trade, if we got on the trade, nice. So how many pips profit are we in already? We're in 85 pips profit. You can see from entry. From entry, we're in 85 pips already. Okay, we're in 70. You see, we're in 85 pips profit already. From that entry, we're in 85 pips already. From here, you can start closing partial. You can start closing partial profits. I'm also running in good profits. I'm running in small profit at the moment. I'm running in small profit at the moment. Small accounts never die. We keep building. We keep building. I literally just came here to boost my confidence and learn from this. But it's so good that we're actually making profit off this trade. The buy trade is going nicely. It's going nicely and it's running in profit. So you can start closing partial now. We already have 85 pips profit. So you can actually start closing partial profits right here. We already have 85 pips. You can see. You can start closing partial profits. If you are on three positions, you can start closing one. You can close one position now. You can close one position now. But due to this break that we have, we are expecting the massive buy movement. Are you currently in this trade? When we're running in good profit already. We're running in good profit already. And it's so nice. This is 1 hour time frame. That's why it's so small. This is the 1 hour time frame. That's why it's so small. If you go to the 5 minutes time frame, this is already some real move. This is already some big move already. You can see on the 5 minutes time frame, it's already some big move already. On the 5 minutes time frame, we're already on big move. It's already on big move on the 5 minutes. Let me use the 15 minutes time frame. I don't know why this chart is not just balanced. It's not staying properly. Okay. So this is the 15 minutes time frame right here. This is the 15 minutes time frame right here. I can see it's going nicely. But let me go back to the 1 hour. The 1 hour makes the chart looks small and easy to easy to work through. So we are running in good profit already. We're running in good profit already. This is 1 hour time frame. How many pips profit are we running right now? How many pips profit are we running right now? How many pips profit are we running right now? Right from entry, we're running how many pips? You can see right from my entry to the current zone. We're on 100 pips, 100 pips profit already. 100 pips profit, 100 pips profit. We're learning. Nice, nice, nice. We're having the volatility now. We're having the volatility now. We're having the nice volatility. Nice, nice, nice. Nice profits, nice profits. How many profit? What profit are you in at the moment? You can see right from my entry up to where the wick is at the moment. We're only 120 pips. If I'm to move it to the current market zone, you can see right here we're only 130 pips. Start closing your profits now. Start taking partial profits now. We're in 130 pips profits. 130 pips profits right there. 130 pips profit right there. Simple break, 129 pips profits. 129 pips profit. Start closing your trade now. Your trade now. Start closing your trades. Start closing your trades now. Start closing some positions. You understand? Start taking some profits. Start taking some profits now. I'm so happy to actually be doing this live and everything is going right well. You have taken partials. Good, 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 good. How many percent profit are you on? How many percent profit are you on? The market is still going nicely. We are already on 120 pips profit. You should close your trades now. Just close your trades. Close your trades. Close your trades. 120 pips profit. Let's just close that. Let's just close 120 pips profit. That's nice. That's nice. 120 pips profit is okay. If you have a smaller position, if you have a smaller lot size open, you can just set your break even for that one. But setting a break even for this, markets might definitely still come back to do a retest. You can close your big lot size and just leave the small one to run. And just leave the small one to run. In that case, you won't be losing. You won't be losing much. So just close your big profits and leave the smaller lot size to run. Just leave your smaller lot size to run. I'm currently still holding one. I'm currently still holding one on my channel account. You can see this running is still currently on the 129 pips profits. This is nice. This is massive. This is massive. So close partial profits now. Close partial profits now. Take your partial profits now. I'm so happy to be doing this live. Close partial profits now. And hold only one position. You can see how many pips profit are we in. This currently 138 pips. 138 pips profits. 138 pips profits. That's nice. That's nice. Thank you very much, guys. I'm really happy to be doing this live, even though I only have very few people watching this. Nana, how many are you? Hope you made good money. Hope you made good money. If you made good money, I just want to be saying yes, 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 yes on the chat box. I want to be saying yes, 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 yes on the chat box. So nice. I'm so happy to actually be doing this live, and everything went as planned. I was initially going to get in at the first break of this resistance level on the lower side, but I had to just wait and the proper analysis. Although I resumed the live late, very sorry about that, guys. So I'm actually going to be saving this right here. I just start seeing I'm actually building momentum. So this trade is actually going nice. This trade is going nice. It's going nice as planned. It's going nice. It's going nice. Don't forget, keep your small lots open. Keep your small lots trade open and start closing your big profits. Start closing your big profits. Start closing your big profits now. Start closing your big profits. So that will be all for today. That will be all for today. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side. Nice, 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 nice. 120 pips. So we're able to get 130 pips. 130 pips profit. 130 pips profits. 130 pips profits. Massive, 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 massive. So thank you very much for joining. We'll talk some other time. You can see, like I said, keep your small lots open and keep it running. Keep your small lot size trade open and keep it running. You can see market is running nicely. The trade is running nicely. The trade is running nicely from here. You can see currently we're on 147 pips. Okay, 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 okay. Nice, 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 nice. So keep your small lots trade open. See right here, You can see right from my entry, I marked it, I use my measurement tool to mark it, right from the entry up to where the market is at the moment. That's 140 pips profit already, massive profit, NFP, massive profit of NFP. Nice, 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 nice. 147 pips, 140 pips rather, 140 pips profit, closed successfully, and everything is going well. 140 pips profit, 140 pips profit, 140 pips profit. Thank you very much for joining, and let me I hope you all learned, gained. I hope you were able to gain something. You were able to gain. I hope you were able to gain a little knowledge, and I hope to continue giving you guys back-to-back knowledge on this channel. Thank you for joining, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the other end. Thank you. So for so you can actually join my Telegram. I just opened the Telegram channel, dropping Vanguard trades. You can choose to join. If you are interested, I'll be pasting a link very soon, and I'll be uploading this video for those that want to learn from it later on. Thank you very much, guys.